Alright guys, today is an interesting day.
You're at the place to be.
Alright, these right here, lots of Fenders.
Oh wow. These things are huge. Whew. Got it all in. So, see you guys when I get back to the house. Alright guys, I made it home, and as you can see, it's a little dark and it has been sprinkling. So I'm gonna continue this tomorrow. I'm already tired, but I'll see you guys in the morning. Peace. Guys, I hope that's better. I had to switch to my phone because my camera is tripping because of the heat. So as I was saying, is that this kit right here is originally from the hatchback Type R Honda Civic, and I want to see if I can get these rears molded to fit Panda a lot better. So we're gonna head to Fantasy Motorsport. We're just gonna meet the body guy and see if we can get this situated with the car to where it fits the frame of the car a lot better. We can get it on the car. We're not gonna get it today. Don't think we're gonna do it today, but we're just gonna price and brainstorm how we're gonna design this kit and put it on the car, and then from there we'll see what we're gonna do. Till then, let's get going. It's also what I mean by molded, not just for the bumper part of it, but also like this part is originally designed for the triangle light. So I want to see if I could either make this all one piece to go down, or just like shave this off and leave it as is. We'll see when we get there. Alright guys, I'm back at the storage. I had to put the kit away. At Fantasy Motorsports, we ran into a big giant roadblock with the kit, and there's three choices I am left with. Number one, the first choice is to re-engineer the whole entire kit for the rears, because the wheel well is a lot bigger and arched, and it has to be cut in half, and we have to redesign the end, which is a lot of work, a lot of money. And that's just only if you do it to one side. What about the other side, you know? Second choice is to just send it, put it on the car anyway, but if I do that, there is no going back, and if it looks crappy, then my car looks crappy, and I don't ever want to do that to Panda. So that's a big hell no. And the third choice is to sell the kit and to find another kit, which is impossible to find because they do not make a Rocket Bunny style kit for this car. TNA is the one that got me this kit because it's designed for the hatchback Type R. So anything with the kit is going to be put on hold for now. I honestly don't know what I'm going to do yet, but if you guys know a person that can just be like, fuck that, and we can get this shit happening, and we can make the molds or whatever we need to do to make it fit on this car perfectly as if it was made for this car, please comment down below and let me know ASAP, because I really want this on the car. But if I find something else, I will sell it, and I will definitely try to see if I could find something similar but designed for this car. I did hear that somebody made a kit exactly for this particular model Honda Civic, so I'm gonna go research that and go from there. Until then, that's gonna be on hold. So now I am kind of bummed out. I was supposed to film right after this, but it's so hot today. There's no way. It's like super bright, and I really don't feel like doing that. And what I want to film, I can't do it because my camera keeps overheating. It just like, I don't know if you guys can see that little error on the screen right now. See that? So that's why I'm using the phone camera. Today is just not my day, so I'm going to go to the gym to release some stress. You guys are welcome to come with me, and I think we'll end the day somewhere around there. Alright people, I am at the gym. My Spider-Man shirt on. I don't think I'm gonna vlog it because my camera's not working, but I will try to film what I'm gonna work on tonight and go from there. Other than that, I'm gonna close out the video here. Yeah, like I said, close out the video here. The guy at that shop really ruined my day, so I'm just trying not to let that negativity sit inside me. I'm trying to clear it out and just get my mind free from it. I need to brainstorm, I need to think, I need to meet some people. I want to get that kit working, and you know, not let other people bring me down for my dream, you know. So I hope you guys enjoy the next couple of clips. Hopefully we can have more fun next time, and also I don't use my phone. Hopefully it doesn't bother you guys, but I like filming with my camera. The phone, it's cool, it looks like a clearer quality, but things are just easier when it comes to editing with my camera. So other than that, love you all. Can you guys please like, comment, subscribe? If you guys feel, understand, if you have any suggestions, please let me know down below. And that, peace out. Like.